So here's a quick tutorial on how to implement the haptic feedback into your Buildbox 2 game. So what I'm going to do is create new, and I'm going to use the stage clear template from the selection here. I'm using this because it has coins already implemented, and we're going to use the camera shake to implement haptic through xCode. So what I'm going to do is put a value of 1. We're going to use this value later in xCode. Next, I'm going to go to the main menu and add a Navi button. Call this Haptic. Change that to custom. Put a label so we know where it is. And then give it a bundle ID before we export. Export. Call this haptic test. Hit save. Save again. And once that's finished exporting, what we're going to do is go to the xCode file. I'm going to select our team so we can run it to a device later. Next, you want to drag the new libs folder to your xCode project, and this contains the hook file that my developer put together so we can implement haptic with the camera shake. So right here you can see the value of 1, which is what we used in Buildbox earlier, and you can change the haptics. There's a few different ones. Right now it's set to light. When you scroll down here, you can see there's a heavy, it's a medium, it's a light. There's a few other ones that you can try, but the main ones you're going to use is light, medium, heavy. And how you change that is just simply change this to medium if you want a medium haptic, or if you want a heavy haptic, you do that. And it correlates to the camera shake of a value of 1. So right now I'm going to leave it to light. Next, you want to go to the add integrator file and import the BB hook class, and scroll down here, go to button activated, and you want to copy and paste this line of code, so whenever the player clicks on the button, it will allow them to turn on and off the haptic. And this correlates to the name that I named the button earlier, the Navi button. And next you want to add some more code under this pragmark integration, and I'll include the code in like a text file for you to easily find, so it's easy to copy and paste. So copy and paste this, and that error should go away. Next you want to go to app delegate class, and you want to include the BB hook class up here, and then initialize in the did finish launching with options method. And that should be it. Go to product, just clean, and run to your device to test the haptic. So you can see every time I collect a coin, it'll do a camera shake and it'll show in the debug console. You can see it right here. And it will initialize the Go Haptic Light, which is the light haptic. And I can show that through simulator. So you get an idea of what's going on. So basically every time we collect the coin, the camera shake initiates, and then we'll run the light haptic. And you can try this on your device since you can't really feel the haptic on the computer. And then the button that we added earlier, this allows the player to enable or disable the haptic. So that's all for the tutorial.